Hello everyone, my name is Annika and I'm part of the Data Science Discovery team, and in this video today we're going to be doing a question on histogram bin areas. So let's go ahead and get started. So here we have a distribution table for the scores of an exam. For example, the second row shows that in the histogram of these scores, the bin of students that scored between 60 and 70 has height 0.2. What is the area for the third bin? So here we have the third bin here, which is from 70 to 80, right, and which has a height of 1.3. So when we want to find the area, we know this is a density histogram, right? So to find, they're basically going to be, a graph that is formed by rectangles, and since the points, since that width is 70 to 80, that's around 10, right? And since the height is 1.3, the area is simply going to be the difference between the 80 minus 70, which is like on the x-axis, the width, times the height, which is going to be 1.3. And that you can either write 1.3 or you can, put the whole mathematical formula. It's going to be the same thing. When we submit the answer, that's correct because we just wanted to find the area of the bin, which is basically finding the area of the rectangle, which is going to be that width times that height. So I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.